students. In last two videos, we have learned introduction to PowerPoint and slide organization. On the basis of that, we are going to have some activity here. Now, introduction to PowerPoint means we have learned what is PowerPoint, how to start PowerPoint, how to add slides, how to insert slides, how to add new slides, then how to enter text in the slides. In slide organization, we have learned how to enter data in that and how to move or copy the data, how to insert clip art, how to rearrange the slides, and so many things. Okay, so on the basis of this, whatever we have learned, we are going to have some activity here. So the activity is given here. This activity we have to do. That we have to open Microsoft PowerPoint. Then we have to enter 3 slides. One by one we have to enter 3 slides, and in 3 slides whatever data we are supposed to enter, it is given in the activity, and then we have to rearrange the slides in the slide sorter view. That activity we have to do here. So step by step we'll go ahead. Okay, now first, that is, click on start to open Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. Click on Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Suppose you are having higher version, in the search box you type PowerPoint and open that PowerPoint application. After that, after opening the PowerPoint application, you have to open a blank slide and you have to see the first slide, that is title and subtitle or title slide. Okay, by default it will give you the title, title, subtitle or a title slide. Okay, in that you have to enter the data. See, enter text in the text title placeholder. Means you have to keep your cursor in the title placeholder and type this text whichever given in the book. Welcome to Innovative Public School. Correct. After typing this, we have to type the subtitle. So take your placeholder, take your cursor, that is pointer, to the subtitle placeholder. Here director and principal, the names of the director and the principal, that also you have to mention, you have to type simply. Okay, this is the first slide. Now we want to enter the second slide. Now how to proceed? See, in the slides group there is a button, new slide. It is shown here on the screen with the red arrow. Correct? You have to click on that. After clicking on that, it will show you the layout, different layouts. Out of that title and content slide, you have to select. So that slide will get inserted. And there again, in the title placeholder, you keep the cursor and type playway method of teaching. No homework and all these other points, they are the content. So take your cursor, after typing the title, take your cursor in the next placeholder, that is the content placeholder, and type all the points. The bullets automatically will get appear. Okay, because it is title and content slide. After this, we have to enter the third slide. Okay, so again, insert a title and content slide. How to insert? Click on the new button from the home tab, slides group. Click on the new button. It will show you different layouts. Out of those layouts, you select the title and content slide layout, and this will the new slide will get inserted. In the new slide, again you have to enter the text. What is the text? That is also given here in the activity. So first heading you have to type in the title placeholder. You click the mouse pointer and type the word facilities, then take your mouse pointer to the content placeholder, and there all the contents you type. See, it is shown in the next screen. Correct. Now your control is on the third slide. In the third slide, your cursor is in the third slide. Correct. And computer control is on the third slide. Now see, suppose now we want to go to the slide sorter view. How to get the slide sorter view? Because we want to rearrange the slide according to the activity. We have to rearrange the slides. Okay, for rearranging the slides, we have to go to the View tab. View tab is on the ribbon. Click on the View tab and select Slide Sorter View. So whenever you will select that view, your slides, instead of getting displayed on the left hand side thumbnail size, and on the right hand side the current slide in the big size, it will show you all the slides as thumbnails only, one after another. Okay, like this, which is shown on the screen. Now here we want to take the third slide at the first place. Okay, so how to do that? For that, third slide is already selected. Correct. So click and hold down the mouse left button on the slide, on the third slide, and drag it before the first slide. See, it is shown here. Can you see? So the first slide will go to the second place, second slide will go to the third place, and then release the mouse button. So like this we can rearrange the slides. Again I'll repeat. See, whenever we have finished typing the content for the third slide, our computer control was on the third slide. We want to take the third slide at the first place. So what we have done, we have clicked the mouse pointer. We have taken the mouse pointer on the third slide, click the mouse button, keep it pressed and drag it to the first position, first place, and release mouse button. So what will happen? Which slide was there on the first place, it will get shifted to the second place, and which was there on the second place will get shifted to the third place. Okay, because the third place was empty, we have taken the third place slide on the first place. Got this? Like this, anywhere, and at any place you can keep the slides, and the slides will get automatically arranged. Remaining slides will get automatically arranged. Now in the activity we have to save. After doing all this, we have to save our presentation. For saving, you have to click on the Office button, Save option, and we have to exit the PowerPoint. For exiting the PowerPoint, again the option is there in the Office button when the menu is shown. See at the bottom, Exit PowerPoint. It is shown with the red arrow. Correct? Click on that, so you will come. Means computer control will come out of the presentation. I hope all of you must have understood the activity. Try to do this activity if you and go through the videos of Introduction to PowerPoint, slide organization, and then do this activity so you can do this perfectly. By then, whenever you will get the notes, try to solve the notes and try to solve the notes on the Fullscape paper, in the book or Fullscape paper, whatever is possible, and then try to solve the worksheet also. Okay, then those who have not submitted the projects, try to submit as early as possible. Okay, by then, thank you.